One easy way to make your live stream or recording look more professional is adding text like lower thirds or titles. Cinamaker makes the process of adding text to your recordings very simple. In the Cinamaker Director Pad, tap on the Media tab menu option and then tap Add Media and select Text. This pop-up screen will appear where you can select which camera source you want to preview and which camera sources you want to display the text entered. The text box in the bottom right is where you'll type in what you want your text to say. To the left, you have various choices on how you can customize your text. So we're going to type in Cinamaker. And over here, you can choose from hundreds of different fonts. So we're going to pick this one. You can change the color of your text and then the size. We're going to put that to 30. And then here, you can change the background of your text by adding a fill, and you can change the transparency. Note, adding spaces to the left, right, top, or bottom of the text will extend your text background color beyond your entered text. Next, you can add transitions to your text, so we're going to have it cross dissolve. And then once you're done customizing your text, move it to where you want it to appear on your screen, and then hit save. And to have your text appear during your production, just tap on the eye icon to the left of the text in the Media menu, and then to have it disappear, just tap that icon again. And that's how you add text with Cinamaker.